order to be successful in your fish farm, there's one thing that you must invest in. Yes, even though a lot has to come together to be successful, but all this boil down into that one thing. Before you start your fish farming journey, make sure to invest into that one thing, because failure in that will lead to a lot of losses, which you will not like that. And before I even tell you that number one thing, let me share an experience with you. I have a friend who installed a fish pond. He constructed concrete fish pond. He stocked 700 fingerling of tilapia, and within 3 days, they all died. He cleared them, filled in water, stocked another 700 of fingerling of tilapia, and within a week, they all died. Then he decided to look for that one thing. He complained to a friend. The friend knows me and gave out my number to him. And then he contacted me and gave his complaint. Then myself and my team, we visited the farm. We checked out what were wrong. We gave recommendations. We fixed everything, and everything went well. I guess you now know that number one thing. The number one thing that I am talking about is information or knowledge, the proper knowledge or the right information. Getting the right information is very paramount. The person didn't lack all information, because before he started, he told me he went to YouTube, he watched some couple of videos, he watched a couple of videos on TikTok. He got a guide and he started. But is every information right? The answer is no. There are a lot of right information out there, and there are garbage out there as well. Some of the things that he got wrong was improper or inability to cure the newly constructed fish pond. When you construct a new fish pond, concrete, you need to cure it very well. Otherwise, the chemicals from the cement and others will contaminate the water and kill the fish. Number two, he overstocked them. Tilapia are the kind of fish that are not that strong as compared to catfish. The size of the pond is not appropriate to stock 700 tilapia in there, especially the fact that there wasn't filtration system and there wasn't aeration system. Because these two things will even help that to survive. Because of that, they were all gone. So we helped cure the pond and we made the filtration system. Now, the right information, like I said, all the things that will lead to successful fish farming boil down to the right information. Because without the right information, you will not know the right thing to be done at the right time to ensure success. For instance, like I said, overstocking is dangerous. It leads to competition resources such as feed, oxygen, and others. And it also leads to higher competition of oxygen, and that will deplete the oxygen level, leading to mortality. Without that information, you will not know that this pond is capable of taking this number of fish. Also, overfeeding is very dangerous. If you overfeed your fish, you are likely to lose them because the leftover feed is going to decompose, dissolve into the oxygen, dissolve into the water body, depleting the oxygen, introducing high ammonia, and such will lead to diseases and mortality. The right information will tell you or will show you the right way of feeding your fish to ensure that you do not overfeed them and you do not underfeed them. Because underfeeding too, the fish will not grow, and cannibalism is going to be high. Cannibalism is a situation where feed are attacking, when fish are attacking and consuming other fish. We so call it cannibalism. The right information will show you the cause of cannibalism and how to prevent cannibalism. With the right information, you will be able to sort your fish. Sorting your fish, as the fish are growing in the pond, their growth rate will never be the same. As you find others bigger, others will be smaller. And the consequences are that the bigger ones will always consume the smaller one. That's cannibalism there again. The bigger one will always eat the feet, leaving the smaller one, and the smaller one will not grow again. And you not get a uniform fish and other consequences. So the right information will show you when and how to sort out your fish to be able to get uniform fish to grow them bigger. The right information will show you how to grow your fish bigger, because growing your fish bigger is also another form of knowledge. You can keep your catfish over a year, and someone will keep the same catfish within 6 months, and the 6 months fish will be bigger than the over year fish. All boil down to management. The right information will show you. Like I said, investing or knowing all this will help you a lot. So don't just pump your millions of cedis or millions of dollars into your fish pond and start growing, or your millions of naira into your fish pond and start growing. Get the right information, and that will even help you to minimize costs, because it will help you to know the things that are necessary for you to purchase in your farm and the things that are not necessary, and that you will buy the necessary things and you will not buy the unnecessary things. You are saving costs. The right information will let you know that if you install filtration system in your farm, you are going to minimize the wastage of water, and you are going to use or make good use of the little water that you have. Many people do not know that with little water you can grow fish, and it is true, because if you have the right information, you will know the tools that to use. Please subscribe to the channel, and that is what we do here, provide you with the right information. If you are not subscribed, subscribe. Someone will be wondering, how do you get the right information? You are got covered. With our years of experience in fish farming and with detailed research, we have written a comprehensive book with the title Comprehensive Guide to Fish Farming, from setup to harvest. This fish guide contains a lot of topics that I have mentioned, from the planning of fish farm, from the source of water to use, because it is not only every water source that is good for your fish. This book will let you know which source of water is best for your farm. Apart from source of water, we also tell you the type of pond that to use. We have several ponds. We have tarpaulin, we have concrete, we have plastic. Name them, earthen pond and the rest. This book will give you all the ponds and their advantages and disadvantages. Then you weigh, choose for yourself the best that will suit you and that will suit your budget. This book will also tell you how to sort your fish, when to sort your fish, how to grow your fish bigger. All these are contained in the book. How to market your fish, and that order. This book, as detailed as it is, contains over 100 pages, like I said. And to make it very affordable for everyone, it's just $10. Check it out in the description. It is in Gumroad. Log in, just pay any amount that you have. We have priced it $10. That's the minimum. You can give us more if you are charitable enough. Support us. Just pay. You can pay through PayPal or credit card or debit card, whatever payment method. Gumroad is very friendly. Download the book and use it forever. It is very important, a good book for beginners and as well as experienced farmers. Get it, it will help you. Subscribe to the channel. We'll be providing breakdown of this information. If you can't get all the information in the book and buy, probably watching these videos on the channel will give you some of the breakdowns. So please make sure that you check out the book. The link is in the description, and then you thank us later. Apart from that, we provide the information on this channel. Subscribe. The right information will give you the right success. And not only in fish farming, whatever investment that you have to do, make sure that you read about it, learn a lot about that before you invest into that. Otherwise, we will push in your millions into the fish farming venture with the wrong information. You will lose all your millions, you will become fed up, and you will curse everyone. You may even curse your aunties, not knowing that you are not doing the right thing. So please check out the book, get information, thank us later, and we'll be successful together. My name is Abdulaziz Isa. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Let's grow our fish farm together. I will see you in my next video, but watch the video at the end screen. Thank you.